One organelle which digests proteins fast and even the whole bacteria. Meet the lysosomes. Hello friends, welcome back to our educational channel Science Saga by Shagun. In today's video, we are going to meet a cleanup crew named as lysosome. In this chapter, we will be learning about how lysosomes break down waste and worn out parts, how they protect the cell, and how materials are recycled and reused. Think of lysosome just like the waste disposable and recycling plant. What are lysosomes? A very basic and thoughtful question if we are studying this chapter. They are the small subcellular double membrane bound. Listen carefully. They are the small subcellular double membrane bound organelle which are nearly present in each and every eukaryotic cell, and its membrane ensures to maintain an acidic environment because the hydrolytic digestive enzyme, which is very powerful and breaks down the unwanted materials, works best in that particular condition. The hydrolytic digestive enzyme is produced by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. For now, just understand rough endoplasmic reticulum as a tabular network of exclusively present in the cytoplasma. Cytoplasma is a jelly-like structure. We will be talking about more cell organelles and everything in the upcoming videos. For now, let's emphasize on lysosomes. One more thing, eukaryotic cell. The term "eu" in eukaryotic cell means true, and karyotic is a word from Greek origin which means nut, or simply you can say seed inside the fruit. So we have derived the meaning as nucleus. One more interesting thing, lysosomes are also called as suicidal bag. Isn't it a wild, spicy and dramatic name? But the reason supports it, the name of the lysosomes. The reason is, for example, if the lysosomes burst up, or say the cell is in proper no condition, severely damaged, so the self-destruction will take place and the lysosome will kill the cell. This process is called as autolysis, and that's why they are called as suicidal bags. You can also see that they are small round sacs found in animal cells and even the humans, because we are social animal. These are the round sacs. They contain powerful digestive enzyme. The hydrolytic digestive enzyme works best in the acidic condition that break down waste and unwanted materials. Think of it like the cell's dustbin, waste disposable and recycling plant. Functions of lysosomes. Lysosome is responsible for the digestion of macromolecules, microbes, harmful germs and worn out cell parts. Lysosomes are just like the cleanup crew members. They help keep the cell clean, safe and healthy by breaking down the waste and recycling the useful parts. So these are the four important functions, or you can say the points. Break down waste and debris. Debris is basically the scattered pieces of damaged or worn out cell parts. Destroy harmful germs and bacteria. How you can even imagine, the lysosomes are not even being polite to their home. They are called as suicidal bags. So how can they be polite to germs and bacteria? Just an instance. Recycle old cell parts and reusable materials. Protect the cell from damage. You might be wondering that they are called as suicidal bags and why we are saying they protect the cell from damage, because they act as a defensive and digestive system. They digest the macromolecules, proteins, fats and microbes, harmful germs, worn out cell parts, etc. How do lysosomes work? How they work? Lysosome moves towards the waste. Moves towards the waste. It fuses with the waste material. Fuses here basically means the waste material, the unwanted part, is enveloping inside a bubble, and that bubble, the lysosome will interact with that bubble, so that enzymes break down the waste into small parts. The hydrolytic digestive enzyme will break down the waste into small components. Useful parts are reused and rest is removed. We will take the material of our interest and we will throw which we do not want. A smart system that keeps the cell clean and healthy. Lysosomes. I hope you liked my today's video and understood that lysosomes are so crucial for the internal cleanliness and purity of the cells. In the next upcoming video, we are going to talk about endoplasmic reticulum. One more function, that endoplasmic reticulum produces the hydrolytic digestive enzyme. Till then, take care and bye-bye.